How to appeal against Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, search Facebook Help Center, and then click on Recover Your Facebook Account option, which is below Help Center. Click on Recover Your Facebook, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then simply scroll all the way down. After you've scrolled all the way down, you'll find option of recover your Facebook account if you can't access your email address. Again, scroll all the way down and then you'll find no option. Yes or no option. Click on no and then solution won't work. And in here, simply appeal what you want to write and then Facebook will send you feedback to your email. This is how to appeal against Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.